Here we have the mighty bee. Every day, our survival depends on these small insects. Bees facilitate many important biological and economic functions. Bees cross-pollinate up to 90% of the world's natural plants and play an important role in the world's economy. Experts estimate that bees pollinate 30% of our commercial crops, including crops essential to the global food supply, and play a major role in the continuation of other species, including ourselves. Bees help our economy so much that their crops produce $15 billion in revenue in the U.S. annually. The commercial honey business also makes huge contributions to the national GDP, coming in at approximately $150 million annually. Clearly, bees are not only important to the ecosystem and economy, but also to human survival. Therefore, the most buzzworthy topic surrounding bees is their rapid disappearance. Although industrialization has pushed humanity leaps and bounds further than we were before, it has been the very factor contributing to bees slowly disappearing from our world. Well-developed cities are contributing to massive habitat loss for bees, leaving them with nowhere to build their homes. Pesticides sprayed on crops are causing bee disappearance. As farms continue to mass produce crops sprayed with pesticides, honeybees ingest this toxic chemical. This ultimately ends up killing them. On top of that, as bees disappear, so do all of their delicious bee-pollinated foods: apples, almonds, pumpkins, and of course, honey. There are several possible causes to this mysterious phenomenon. They include invasion by the varroa mite, viruses within the hives, pesticide exposure, poor nutrition, or even habitat changes. Colony collapse disorder is a major area of study in current research. And because there are so many possible causes in this condition, a shift in approach is occurring from "why is this happening?" to "what can we do about it?"
Dr. Williams, can you tell us what a bee hotel actually is?
So a bee hotel is a human-made structure that we can use to provide as a nesting site for native bees and local bees, so primarily for cavity nesting bees.
How does a bee hotel help local bee populations?
So the main purpose of that is it provides habitat for our solitary bees, those nesting in cavities. So it provides a lot of sites for them to basically make a home and lay their eggs and rear new bees.
So who all can make a bee hotel? Are there any specific special requirements? Or?
Anyone can really make a bee hotel. It's pretty simple. I mean, you just need some wood and some nesting structure. You can go out and collect bamboo and cut that up and use those as your nesting halls. You can also drill holes into old pieces of wood, old 2x4s. So really, it's anyone can do it. I guess the best place to place a bee hotel is on a south-facing exposure, like a wall or a fence, for example. So this is where the bees like to nest. They can warm up and really absorb all the heat from the sun.
Does it take very long before bees start living in a bee hotel?
It really depends on the local population, how long it will take for your bees to start nesting in that site. So, for example, you could order bees online and actually bring bees there that can then nest in those sites, or you just wait for your local populations to inhabit them. So it really depends on what other nesting sites are available for them and how many bees are out there flying right now.
So what would you say are the immediate benefits of having a bee hotel?
So the main benefits of having a bee hotel are that they provide a nesting site for our bees, but they also raise public awareness. So many people ask what those hotels are doing, and that's a great opportunity to start talking about bees to the public.
Bee hotels benefit not just the bees themselves, but they also help us out as well. If it weren't for these wonderful little creatures, we would not have many of the crops and honey we have today. Because bees pollinate 90% of the fresh fruits and vegetables we eat, they are absolutely essential to our economy and our world. They truly are some of the world's most important creatures and should always be protected and cherished.